This is project one. I'm Benjamin, and
This is Chrishelle.
all right, we're doing project one for the problem. We live in the world where too many individuals struggle to maintain a consistent workout routine due to the challenge that come with the tracking progress, staying accountable, and staying motivated. So, for the solution, we will develop the using Flutter for cross-platform compatibility. FitFlow will provide users with a tool to monitor their fitness journey and achieve their fitness goal. For the solution overview, user would have the ability to set their fitness level, giving them access to preset workout routines that fall in the chosen category. User will be able to log workouts and keep track of calories burned. They will also have access to charts that will assist visualizing their progress. FitFlow does not only keep you accountable but will keep user engaged and motivated. For the key design features, it's including user registration, user and email. For dashboard, it will navigate to main features including workout log, calorie tracker, progress track, and reset routines. Workout log will do the input details and workout save. For the progress tracks, it will representation of the fitness metrics. And now,
For our input, where users can log in data or press buttons, would be examples of that would be our username and email, exercise name, the sets, reps, weights, duration, food items, and or calories. And for the output, what the user will be able to see once they click their button or log in something, it will be the redirection to the dashboard, workout log, save to workout history, or update calorie goal. So for the user interface, specific screens such as account, sign in, and login, it will be the text box you'll use for that. The dashboard, you will have a display and click options. The workout log, it'll have click options and a text box. The workout history will have just a display. The calorie tracker will have the display and text box. And the progress chart will have the display. So this UML represents the core components of our fitness tracker app. It illustrates the key classes and their relationships to provide a structured overview of the system. So for example, the first class diagram, basically box thing, is the user. And the user would be represented as class. That's class, the user represents class. And under that, where it has name and email, that's the attributes, and login, logout, and view dashboard are the operators. You can see that the user connects to the dashboard, and then the dashboard branches out to all these main different screens and components that make up our system. Next is testing. So that's the usability testing, where we get to observe new users navigating the app. Performance testing, that's where we ensure smooth operation with large data sets. And then functional testing, that's where we verify accurate calculation and data persistence. Now, to sum this up, users can monitor and enhance their health and well-being with the help of this fitness tracker app. Through the integration of preset workout, calorie tracking, and progress visualization, the app motivates users to maintain an active lifestyle and meet their fitness goals. Now we will see a demo of our fitness tracker app, FitFlow. So as you can see, this is the first screen you will be exposed to. This is where you can put in your name and your email, but you could use anything for your name, but for your email, you have to be mindful because if you don't have the at Gmail or at Yahoo or at any other email, it will give you an error basically saying you have an invalid email. So once you put in that correct email, you're going to press login and it's going to take you to the dashboard. And as you can see, the first thing you see is hi Chrishelle, and this gives a sort of personality, personalization to it. And right under that, you'll have today's summary where you can see your workout, the calories burned, and how much time you were active. And right under that, you can see a calorie goal. Now, what I want to differentiate between calories and calorie goal, calories is updated and affected when you put in how much calories you burn. Basically, the workout, when you log that in, it'll show you how much calories you burn. Calorie goal is affected by when you put in the calorie tracker where it says track calories, when you put in the food that you've consumed, that will be where your calorie goal is measured. So if we go into our first screen, which is log workout, we can see quick add exercises. So it's categorized based on what is it affecting, what exercise you're doing, and it shows these buttons which you could press, and it'll automatically fill out that text box with has exercise name. Now, if there's not an exercise that's up there, you could still fill it in yourself. These are just generic exercises we have up here. And then you could also fill in the sets, you could fill in the reps, you could fill in the weights, the duration, and the calories you've burned. You have the option to change the date as well. And log workout. This affects the log workout history, which I'll get to later. But as you can look on today's summary, you see that it affects workout, which is 1. That's our first workout for today. It shows how much calories we burned, which is 350. And then it shows us our active time, how long we did doing that workout. If we look in the workout history, it shows the workout that we logged. Upon clicking it, okay, so our next one is tracking calories. This is where we're gonna put in our food we've intaked for the day. So it's categorized by breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then you have text boxes where you could put in the food itself and the calories along with the proteins, carbs, and the fat per gram. This is a little quick add favorites. It actually shortens the time on how long you have to spend doing this if you have a regular meal that you eat. So like protein shake, chicken salad, something that you know is common, that will be there for you to just click of a button instead of having to do all that and then log a food in. And if you go low to the bottom, you could see where you log in today based on the time of the day, and you can even have the option to delete it if necessary, if you accidentally did that. And if you could see right there, their daily goal, as you put in food, the bar will keep going up to your daily goal. And it'll show you how much you consumed and how much is remaining left. And then there's a summary where you have, again, your daily goal. But if you look down that, you can see the macronutrition distribution. It'll show you how much protein, carbs, and fat you've consumed in that day per gram and the percentage it is. And it also has calories by meal as well. So the next one is the workout routines. These are like preset workout routines that are categorized on experience level and workout types. So you can see the 3 experience level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And the workout types, you could have all, you could have full body, you could have upper body. These are just basically filters to cater to what you're looking for now. And if I were to press 1, yes, it gives you a list of workouts you could do for that day with basically helps what you're looking for, what you're requiring. And then once you do these workouts, don't forget to log them in. So these will be updated in your workout history for the day. And then we'll look at the progress chart. Today, right now we have it set at workout frequency, but it can also be changed to calories burnt and distribution and duration, my fault. And you can have it weekly or monthly. And this just gives you a visualization of your progress. All right. So we have covered everything that our fitness app do, and this is our outfit flow.